ready now to pour? Okay, let's do this. Oh, yeah, hold it. Close it. Yeah, put the lid on.
Halo teman-teman, kita barusan balik dari jalan-jalan keliling-keliling dan ini dingin banget. Dan si cowok-cowok lagi pada lapar, so kita mau bikin makanan. Kita mau bikin apaan? Kita mau makan Indomie gelas. Nah, jadi waktu kemarin pergi belanja ke toko Asia, aku nemu mie gelas gitu, Indomie goreng gelas. Terus aku mikirnya, bawa deh, siapa tahu ntar pas lagi kelaparan kita bisa bikin Indomie. Nah, so guys, we gonna doing it outside in the -16. Jadi kita bakal bikin Indomie goreng gelas di -16 derajat Celcius. Let's see. I'm super excited. Yeah, I'm coming. Yeah, I'm coming. Lihat teman-teman, gundukan es ya. Kau harus hati-hati supaya nggak jatuh. Oh.
Yeah, this is good. Okay, let's do this. This is gonna be hard to make it, but we're gonna do it. Okay, so okay, it is so cold.
It is so cold.
It's the coldest Indomie ever, or like I think so.
The coldest Indomie.
So first we're gonna need to cook the noodles, which can be quite difficult in this cold.
Exactly.
Okay, this is ready. I'll prepare all three and then.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So we're ready now to pour. Okay, let's do this. Oh, yeah, hold it. Close it. Yeah, put the lid on. Okay, second one.
That's so cool.
Okay, last one. Oh, it's so cold.
It's super cold, guys.
Okay.
-16.
For 3 minutes for the noodles to cook.
Yes.
And then we can eat it. Hopefully a warm meal. Oh my god. So our specialty of today is noodles.
Yeah, exactly.
In the snow.
Where?
In the snow. Boiling noodles in the snow.
So hopefully in 3 minutes we will have either noodles or frozen noodles.
Jadi teman-teman, kita harus tunggu 3 menit seperti di instruksinya. Cuman kita penasaran emang bakal sampai 3 menit apa enggak. Soalnya ini dingin banget.
Sausage and eggs. You need to know how to prepare the fork actually.
So cute.
Oh, like this.
Like that, and then you push it. Yeah, nice.
Okay, this one is
Just
ready.
out of curiosity, just show me your phone how many degrees is now.
Okay, let's see.
There we go, guys. It's -16 right now.
But it feels like -20 with the wind.
Yeah, with the wind.
With the wind, yes. Oh my god, si Brodo.
The last one.
Wah, so ininya langsung beku dong teman-teman. Oilnya langsung beku. Oh my god, oilnya langsung beku. Ini keras banget. Astaga. Ini masih utuh, tapi si oilnya langsung beku banget.
Okay, I think 3 minutes is over.
It's over now. Let's open the lid.
It's frozen or no?
Oh no! Oh my god! Then it's minus something.
Oh no, we need to
solid soup.
You have to rinse it. So open the lid.
remove this.
Yeah, put it in the bag.
And then rinse it through here. Okay, let's do this. Oh, it looks like pee.
it cooked?
Yeah, looks good.
Oh, nice.
Now we need to put that stuff in for everything is cold. Yeah, it's getting frozen.
It is.
Yeah, then I'll open this up. Oh, we should have brought a fork or something.
Fork?
No,
Nice.
scissors.
Oh, here, with mouse, like that.
Oh god, this takes forever. It will be cold before we finish even. Oh yeah, this is gonna be really hard. I need to take off my gloves.
Oh no, honey.
Still
Lihat deh guys, bro mukanya sampai merah banget karena emang dingin banget.
Oh, it's hard.
You have to really open it because it's frozen, honey. Really open it.
Oh shit.
Oh, it's so windy, guys.
Okay.
The struggle is real. This is how it looks like when you are hungry and then you need something to eat.
Look at this.
You're in the wild.
And then you are in the wild. And you have no money to buy food because it's so expensive. Yes.
Okay.
This is what you have to pay for that.
Oh, we should have brought scissors like this others. Okay.
So, somebody has to mix it.
Okay.
By the way.
Here. Mix it for you, man.
Oh, damn.
Okay, mix it.
Dingin ya?
Oh, I think the soup will get frozen.
Oh, but we still have the hot water, so we can pour it
yeah.
after that.
Yeah. Okay, hot sauce. Oh.
Spicy sauce.
How should this fry?
Here. Here. Take it out with this. Yes.
Oh, fuck, no.
Oh, you just have to stick it.
We
You
need to
just have
fix
to
it.
stick
Someone
it.
fix it. Okay. Oh my god, it is really hard.
It's frozen, guys.
Okay. Okay. And now I'm full of this stuff. Anyway.
Nah, dicuci tangan. Tuh. Karena itu kan sebenarnya air yang beku. Jadi bisa cuci tangannya pakai salju. Tapi dingin banget, guys. Lihat ya mukanya mereka berdua. Kasihan si bro, itu sakit banget loh kalau tangan beku gitu. Lihat udah merah banget tangannya dia. All done, eh?
Oh, 2 of 3.
Oh, shoot.
2 out of 3.
Okay. Oh, this.
Oh, that was
That was easy.
Oh, good.
God
Now I
bless.
finally know how it works.
weird.
Yeah, it would be nice, right?
Okay. I will put some hot water, okay?
Ya, no, kita harus pakai kasih air panas lah, guys. Kalau nggak dia nggak bisa dimakan karena udah dingin banget. Oke.
Okay, that's it.
Ready to eat. So,
Okay, now let's.
mari
mix,
makan
right?
teman-teman. Ya, so we mix it. Looks good. You
Okay,
guys?
enjoy.
Enjoy.
Yum yum.
Oh, it's worth it. Bit warm.
Noodles in the cold. That's good. It's already starting to get cold, right? Or it's already slightly cold.
This is likely cold already because it's -16. So, guys, minyak udah dingin.
This is how is to be eating noodles in
Yeah.
winter.
Yeah.
In winter.
We have to finish it. But it tastes good. Really good. I wish it was warm.
I wish it was. Mine is like slightly warm.
challenge you to find someone who has eaten Indomie instant noodles in colder temperatures like this. It's minus 16 degrees, and this is Indonesian noodles who are used to be eaten at plus 30 degrees, right?
Exactly.
Challenge accepted. Find someone who has eaten this in colder temperatures.
Alex kedinginan banget guys.
Okay. I'm done.
We finished it! Wow, that was good. A bit spicy. Over it.
Oh, that was good. We made it. We made it. Okay, teman-teman. Yes.
Wow.
Part of our body is frozen. In the glove again.
Yeah, have to close it again. So we're gonna go back. It's super cold now.
Okay. Bye bye teman-teman. See you
Tapi
soon.
makanannya bikin anget, anget di perut. Cuman kita tangannya sama badannya udah dingin banget.
Bye. Bye bye.
Show me your fingers. Nih teman-teman, kayak gini nih penampakannya kalau misalnya kedinginan. Jadi nih mulai ke merah. Nah terus kalau misalnya kelamaan kedinginan, terus dia bakal jadi menghitam. Nah kalau hitam itu udah nggak bisa diselamatin, jadi harus dipotong. Ini bukti kalau kita kedinginan. Aku juga merah dan si bro juga.
Well, this is normal. When I work every day, I'm like this.
Yeah. So how was the experience?
It was worth it. In between, I thought I'm gonna die because my fingers hurt so much, and I thought they would fall off because of the wind. But yeah, the Indomie was great. So in the end, it was well worth it.
It's warm in the tummy.
And it was fun.
Yeah.
Well, the experience was great. I think I enjoyed the last part when we needed to eat it. But the most challenging part was when
Preparing.
we were preparing, like we're pouring the water, then my fingers got wet.
Yeah.
And that's why I wanted to get inside as soon as possible. Because I mean, I can handle the cold, but once you get wet is the worst part.
Yeah, that's true.
But it was cool.
Yes. Oh, awesome.